And this is my next lawnmower find here. This is a Husqvarna Model LC121P push mower, 21-inch. In really nice condition. It's got the newer Briggs & Stratton 625 EXI engine on it. 7.25 gross torque. And this was a moving sale here. Always got moving sales around this area. People relocating or moving out of town, moving to a new house. This is the higher rear wheel push lawnmower from Husqvarna. They said it was about 2 years old. Got a rear grass catcher and a side chute with it. And they also gave me a gas container. Looks like it's in really nice shape. I like the Husqvarna mowers. Everything is just really well built on these. Each wheel has adjustments. The adjustments are not frozen on there. 21-inch cut mower. And this is the newer overhead valve engine. Seems to run fine. And this blade still has the orange on it. Husqvarna Orange. And still looks like it's in good shape. I don't think it will need to be sharpened. I'll look at it a little more closely. Just picked this up last night, so we're looking at this at the same time. Very nice mower. Let me show you a little bit more about this Husqvarna and we'll give it a start. Let's check the air filter here. And these newer engines have car type air filters, and that air filter looks really good. Let's put that right back in. And let's see what the oil looks like in this Husqvarna. And it looks clean and it appears to be full. They also gave me the remainder of a 30 weight motor oil too. And let's see how much gas is in here before we start it. Oh, it's almost full. Look at that. Got a full tank of gas in here. And here's some information on the Briggs & Stratton engine. Shows model year 2016. And if this comes out, this is the model and serial number of this Husqvarna LC121P. And here's the back of this lawnmower. Taking the bag off, you can see the blade looks like it's in great shape, and this will clean up back here. Just looks like stains from grass. Don't really see any rust. This grass catcher's been used, but it's in really good condition. And let's look under the cover here. It just needs cleaning up. We got a little bit of a dent down here. Just notice that. So he's hit something with it, but I think this will clean up. Very nice, and show you the brilliant orange that it has. And these wheels all look like they're in really good condition. And those height adjustments are not frozen. Being it's 2 years old, shouldn't be. Very nice. And with this moving sale, he gave me the remainder of gas in this gas container. It's not much. The side chute's never been used on here, he told me. And he evidently has changed the oil in here, because he gave me the remainder of a SAE 30 engine oil, not a brand I use. So let's give this Husqvarna a start here. Did notice that this cover appears to be loose here because things look kind of crooked. See if I can tighten that up. But let's give it a start here. Auto choke engine. And the blade is in good shape here. Here we go. Sounds really good. Blade's in good shape on here. Very nice mower. I'll have the bag on correct. Be a wash and go lawnmower here. I'm going to clean this up and I'll do a follow-up video.